I'm slowly getting opening this for you guys, so you are excited as well. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up and comment below section. Guys, into this video, I'm super excited that I finally received this item, my first Hermes Personalized item that I just got it today. I've been waiting this for a few weeks. I'm gonna shout out to Kiki Love Cici because she's the one to tell me about this one, about the Personalize, and to watch a video of Jojo Luxury or Luxury Jojo or something like that. So I went ahead and checked the friend's website. Actually, at first I saw this one, somebody do this Personalized, and I contact customer service, and they told me that she told me that's only for German website. So I went ahead to German website, and I cannot understand what they are on their language, so I just like leave it. So I forget about it until Kiki Love Cici is mentioned in again. So I went to French. What I did, guys, is I translate French to English all the words so I can find the Personalized. Well, it's easy to find Personalized. Actually, it's just like Personalize or something like that. It's easy. I click that one, and then they give you all the details, and then the leather you want, the color you want, and also you can put initial, and there were logo as well. So I cannot wait to unbox this first Hermes Personalized. I'm so beyond excited with this when I receive it, and it took, like I said, more than months. Actually, when I do this thing, and I short story, guys, I put my wrong email address. I'm actually not wrong email. I missed one number, and I'm waiting for the next day. I said, why I still don't have a confirmation email from them that I got it. And I checked my bank, and they charged to my bank. And then when I check again, good thing guys, that I did screenshot. Every time I purchase something, I always screenshot the order number and everything. When I check, it's like there's something missed on my email address. So I called customer service here in the UK. She told me they can't do that because I ordered in France. So she told me, like, call around this time, and then I asked if they can. Said yeah, they will talk to you and they will help you. Oh, that person, I'm very, very thankful for that person. I thank Hermes customer service, and the people work in store are very nice. I love buying things that the customer service or sales associate will taking care of you, always, always assist you all the time. And so yeah, I called him, and he answered and told me, said, oh, sorry bro, I can help you to that. I can fix your email address to in the right one. But I guess for some reason they can't do that. Once you put your email address and your confirmation order, they cannot do that unless. So actually he said, like, I will call you back later. So at least when I talk to my whoever it is they're gonna talk about, manager or ahead. So it did call me back and give me the shipping code or the shipping confirmation tracking number. And I'm so lucky, guys, that these people give me as soon as possible. And again, they send me a correct. Now it says like, oh, this is your tracking number, which is, I don't know how they do it. They correct the email address, which is good. So this is the item. Yay! Okay, what it says in here. Okay. Instead of French, I cannot understand. Sorry for my fingernail, guys. I didn't do it yet. So, I don't understand what it is. What it is I don't know that you can return and exchange this spice. So this is the item. So I'm so excited that I got this one. So guys, the color, the favorite. Oh my god. My heartbeat is so fast right now because I want to scream. Like, I've got this item already. As you can tell that this is small leather goods. So I'm slowly giving opening this for you guys so you are excited as well. So let me see first. So there she is. So guys, the color is, hold on. Let me see if they put in here because I forgot. Okay, doesn't say anything. It's just only the invoice for this one. I think purchasing in France is more cheaper than in the Yoki website. So the color of this is Rouge Decor, like red, and the interior, guys, is gold. Look at that beauty, and my initial. You actually can put this initial in here or one and this in the back, but I pick in the front here by snap closure button, guys, and I put my name Amy, and I choose this like a horse. This is one of their famous logo, and I pick the Epson leather because as you know, if you watch my video when I unbox another Bastia coin purse that I returned that Maison good skin leather because it's so thin and I don't really like it and it bothers me. As I rather return that and get this baby. Oh my god, this is made in France, and they have this, there you guys, the horse show. The colors like gold and red. This is the two item that's actually my favorite color I want to get from Hermes, and this is perfect for my what do you call this one, the Picotin 18, because the other handle is a Rouge Decor as well, or the red color. Guys, sorry if I pronounce that wrong because I'm not French, I'm not speaking in French. So yes, and I make then my name bigger than a smaller. There also that you can choose like a smaller, like I think S, small and medium. So I picked the medium. I think that is perfect size to at least to show the name. I also pick, I forgot, is it silver or gold? You can even tell, guys, if it's silver or gold. I think, I don't remember now because it doesn't see anything in here. And like I said, I put the wrong email so they don't send that. And yeah, look at that guy. I really love Bastia two-tone color. I don't think I will, if I want another Bastia, I will try one color only, but I will, this one is my another Bastia coin purse. Look at that, this two-tone as well color, and I prefer the Bastia Epson leather, guys. Oh my god, this color, oh my god, I really love this color. if I want another bag from Hermes, definitely I will go this color. It's very true red, beautiful red color, or else the gold one. The gold, it's so beautiful. Look at that. The gold of Basia is really hard to get as well. So there you go, guys. This is it for my first personalized Hermes ever. Yay, thank you, Hermes, that I finally got one, and I'm beyond excited with this. I cannot wait to try this baby all the time now. She's probably on my Picotin 18 all the time if I use that. So there you go, guys. That's it for my unboxing and my first ever Hermes Personalize. I'm sorry for the background because it was crazy raining outside and now. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.